that are supposed to resolve these issues. The first one, in the interest of dialogue, I've sent and dispatched the team to request an extraordinary meeting, which I have always requested and it has not been acceded to, with the ZEC chairperson as a candidate, on behalf of the alliance, on behalf of the candidates who have also registered as parliamentary candidates, 210, as council candidates, over 1,900. Those I represent in terms of requiring certain information on the voting process. So yes, this has been done. If then Chigumba fails to accept for us to meet, we are requesting an urgent meeting with all the commissioners so that we articulate our issues and we also agree on a way forward. If this fails, we are also pushing for all the parties, and we've already requested to have a meeting of all parties, all candidates that are willing to be part of this journey, to also come together in terms of dealing with the issues that are supposed to be dealt with in the context of the multi-party liaison platform in terms of section 160, I think it's 160D of the Electoral Act. We are also escalating this matter to SADC. In fact, we are writing to SADC to request an extraordinary summit of SADC to then deal with this stalemate and this dispute. Because for as far as we are concerned, this is a dispute. We have a dispute, we have a stalemate, we have a crisis. We cannot possibly have an election if we do not know where the ballot paper is, who has printed the ballot paper, the quality of the ballot paper.